Right now, temperatures are dropping as we brace for potentially record-breaking cold tomorrow. That's why KCCI has declared tomorrow a weather impact day. We have team coverage tonight to help you prepare for those dangerous conditions. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is live in our Storm Chaser with what you need to know about road conditions before tomorrow morning's commute. But we start with KCCI meteorologist Zane Satry. Zane, it's going to be frigid.
It will be, yes, Laura. Our first sub-zero temperatures of the season come our way late tonight into the overnight hours, and they've been working their way in here all day today. Temperatures have been dropping basically since this morning. We started off with a few 30s and now we continue downward. Since yesterday, we've already dropped, 15 to 20 degrees across much of central Iowa. Wind chills are even colder. Skies are clearing out nicely. There still is a breeze though, and that's pushing the feels like temp down to double digits below zero as you head up towards Highway 18. Fort Dodge at 1 below, 6 below out in Carroll, 2 lonely degrees is the wind chill here in Des Moines with single digits off to the south. Now by tomorrow morning, we'll occasionally flirt with some wind chills in the teens to maybe low 20s below zero. I say flirt with because our winds are really going to lighten up as we go through the overnight hours, and as they go sort of dead calm in some spots, the temperatures will really rocket downward. So this is kind of where you end up. Before sunrise comes up tomorrow, negative single digits, occasionally some negative double digits for wind chills. It's basically just a steady downward trend through the overnight hours. Coming up in the full forecast, we'll go past tomorrow morning's cold, potentially some records, and we'll get into more snow. Possible this weekend ahead in a little bit, Laura.
Zane, thank you. Well, this extreme cold is coming on the heels of a snowstorm, of course. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is live in the KCCI Storm Chaser with how Public Works is preparing for a refreeze. Marcus.
Laura, we are in Storm Chaser heading north, just north of University on 11th Street. I'm going to show you what it's looking like on the roads out there. Pretty much snowpacked where we are. We spoke with Des Moines Public Works, the director there, about what his department is doing to prepare for negative temperatures. We also met people while we were out and about who tell us they are prepared.
This is Iowa. It's to be expected, and it's going to get cold.
We met sisters Ann Wiarda and Katie Haverkamp in Des Moines East Village early Wednesday afternoon. They tell us the do's and the don'ts of navigating winter weather boil down to common sense.
I try and warm up my car, especially in the garage, and try and have everything ready that I will need to have so I don't have to spend as much time outside in the cold.
As for the roads, if you choose to get out of the house and drive, we turn to Des Moines Public Works Director Jonathan Gano.
We are still cleaning up the little dribs and drabs of spots that either got missed or need additional attention from the almost 10 inches of snow from last weekend.
Gano says most of the roads are ready for the refreeze. He tells us the roads where there is snowpack, the negative temperatures will refreeze what is already there, making for bumpy but not overly dangerous driving conditions. That does not mean Gano is taking the refreeze lightly.
It's a big problem in places where there's hills, curves, T-intersections, our major roadways. We don't want snow or ice on those at all.
Public Works will be out smoothing out rough spots and pushing snow piles that are challenging farther back toward the curb. So when the plows are out, care is being advised. This is video from the Iowa DOT over the weekend. You're watching one of 7 instances where a DOT plow was hit from behind by a vehicle the DOT says was going too fast. There were 8 accidents altogether. 1 was the fault of the plow driver.
We've not had any private vehicles hit snow plows yet this year. Usually happens once or twice in winter. We've not had that yet, but it's only been 1 snow. Jonathan Gano tells us the department budgets for about 3 feet of snow removal every season. He says it takes about $60,000 to $70,000 for each square inch of snow removed. So the weekend snowfall cost right around $600,000 to remove. We're live in Storm Chaser. I'm Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Marcus, thank you. The CDC says more than 1,000 Americans died from excessive cold or hypothermia in 2023. That's why KCCI is making sure you are staying safe. If you have to go outside, the American Red Cross says to wear layers of loose clothing and make sure you're keeping your face covered too. If you're staying inside, it says to be careful how you heat your home.
This past year, the Red Cross has responded to more than 48,000 home fires. And this time of year in particular, a lot of that is caused because people are just trying to stay warm.
And you can prevent those fire risks by keeping anything flammable at least 3 feet away from your space heater or fireplace. You can also prevent carbon monoxide poisoning by not using your oven to warm your home. Des Moines Public Schools announced a 2-hour delay tomorrow because of the extreme cold. The district says buses will run 2 hours later, and schools offering breakfast in the classroom will have it at a later time. All before school extracurricular activities are canceled. DMPS is not the only district delaying classes tomorrow. Find out if your student's school time is changing on the closings and delays tab on the KCCI website and mobile app.